Hey lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome, and to my old subscribers, you guys have been amazing. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to properly place a closure lace and how to sew down a flat closure. If this sounds like something you're interested in, then keep watching. I'll be using a 2x4 closure that I ventilated. First thing you do is to place your lace closure a half inch before your wig cap. As you can see, I didn't place it directly on the wig cap. I placed it a half inch from the wig cap. Then the next thing you do is to go ahead, use your safety pins or your bobby pins to hold down the lace closure. As you can see, then you place it this way. For the back part, you hold it tight, then secure with your bobby pins or your T-pins. So for the edge, that curvy part, you have to drag your lace closure. Drag it so that it will be as flat as possible before placing your pins. As you can see in the video, there is a part that is curvy. You have to place it as flat as possible. Then for the side, you also secure it with your T-pins. When I was done securing the closure, I flipped the hair towards the left side, then went in with my hand needle. Because I've already wicked this hair before putting the closure, I now sewed it. I connected both the weft and the edge of the lace closure. But if you are someone who is just starting and you've not wigged it, or you're not replacing a closure, if you're just sewing a new closure, or you just want to make a new wig, you have to sew from the edge of the black cap, that's your wig cap, then connect it to the edge of that your lace closure. But mine, I have to connect both the weft and the lace closure so that it will be as secured as possible. After sewing it round, you have to cover that area that is open at the back. You have to just measure that area, then sew down your weft on it. After sewing it down, as you can see in the video, I went ahead to apply my IKT hair wax to tame away the flyaway hairs. After then, you can use your hair straightener to flat iron the closure lace, then create your line in the middle part, comb your hair very well, then you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment, and also share this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.